This is Greg from Traxda. I'm here to talk to you about the 90-60-25 kit and how it compares to the 90-60-30. What I've got in front of me is the parts for the 90-60-25 kit, which are these four parts, and the 90-60-30 kit adds to it these sway bar links and these rear shocks, and let me explain why. This is for the Toyota Sienna minivan up to the last generation, not the current generation for sale. These go onto the front to lift the front 2 inches. They're fairly straightforward to put in, pretty easy. And when you get to the back, these go in the back on top of the rear coil spring, and these are a bit more challenging to put in. You're going to want a friend with a pry bar and maybe some spring compressors. Now, we made the other kit, the 90-60-30, because we got conflicting reports from the field that some vehicles needed different sway bar lengths and others did not. So these are Toyota Highlander sway bar lengths. They are 10 inches from center to center. And these are rear shock extender brackets, which will extend your rear shocks 2 inch, which is useful if you have the stock ones, but you don't need it if you've gone and bought the Monroe replacement ones, which are 1 inch longer. We supply you all the hardware you need to make the shock extensions work, including the inserts, the bolts, the nuts, everything's here. But the main distinction to keep in mind is the 90-60-25 is the core lift parts, the 90-60-30 is the core lift parts plus the extra parts that you may not need for your situation.